Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this beautiful PowerPoint template in just 4 minutes? Let me show you how to make it. So first of all, go to Insert tab and add a rectangle as the background. Change its color. I'm using this color. Remove its outline. Add a circle right here. Now add this donut, half donut right here. Adjust it like this. Decrease its inside radius, rotate it, and place it next to the circle. Rotate it a little bit and move it downwards. There you go. Let me do some other adjustments. Now you have to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, and you have to make it larger. You have to make the duplicated donut as large. There you go. And now what you're gonna do is increase the size. That's it. Now change its color and remove its outline. Change this one's color as well and remove its outline. Select the circle, go to shape fill and change its color. Go to outline and remove the outline. Copy it and paste it onto the next corner. Paste this donut as well and move it right here onto that circle. You have changed its color and change this half donut's color as well. So this is it. Adjust it, add a rectangle and select these shapes and subtract them. There you go. Add another rectangle, select the shape and subtract it. There you go. Now I'm gonna copy and paste the text onto the template. There you go. Let's move it downwards and adjust it. Bold the text and increase its size. There you go. Now I'm gonna add subtitle. I'm gonna copy it from the previous slide and I'm gonna paste it right here. There you go. Decrease the size and move it to the bottom right corner of the template. You can add your own text if you want, and you can use your own fonts and other colors for the text. That's it. Let's select the text and increase its size so that I can see it more clearly what is written onto it. I'm going to change its color to black, but gray will look better, so I'm using gray. Let's change the color of the title using eyedropper. And this is it. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like these.